Don't feel fucking to me. 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 Come on. Don't feel fucking to me. Don't feel fucking to me. Come on.
So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech Specs. In this video we will talk about Realme 2. So without wasting any more time, we will get started, but first you need to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell notification so every time I post a video you will be notified each time. So do that and follow me on my social media accounts. The link are in the description and you can see the handle's name over here. Now, let's get started. So first let's talk about its screen. So it is having 6.3 inches of LCD full screen with drop notch. You can see a notch in the drop plate of water. Yes, that's what they call. And then now let's talk about its pixel. It is having 1080 into 2340 pixels in it, and it is having an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 aspect ratio. And now let's talk about its internal storage. So it is available in 4 storages, and I will tell you the prices in the last. So one is of 4GB RAM and 64GB variant, and the other one is of 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and the last one is of 8GB RAM and 128GB storages. I will tell you the prices in the last of this video, so stay tuned for that. But for now let's talk about its specifications, more specifications. So it is having Snapdragon 660 in it, which makes it powerful device. You can play PUBG in it. Yes, you can play that. And now let's talk about its cameras. Yes, the cameras. So it is having dual rear facing camera on the back. One is of 16 megapixel f1.8 and the other one is of 2 megapixel. You can shoot 30 frames per second in 4K. Yes. Now let's talk about its front facing camera. The front facing camera is of 16 megapixel with f2.2. Yes, the cameras are good enough to take your special pictures. Yes. So now let's talk about its Gorilla Glass. So it is having Corning Gorilla Glass, but they have not specified which Gorilla Glass they are going to use, but they said it is having a Corning Gorilla Glass. If that satisfies you. Okay. So now let's talk about its battery. So it is having 3500 mAh of battery. Yes, that's its battery. So you might be thinking which Android version it is running on. So they have launched with Oreo. Yes, they have launched with Oreo 8.1.0. out of the box comes with Oreo Smooth. So now let's talk about its prices. So I have told you before, it is having 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. So now let's take down its prices. So that it priced at the 4GB variant is priced at 13,990. Now the other one, so the other one is 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. So it is priced at 15,990. Yes. And now the last one, 8GB RAM variant. So listen it carefully. The 8GB RAM, it is having 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It is priced at 17,990. That blows your mind? I think it will blow your mind. So this is the price of these 3 storages, and you can see the prices are good. You can buy the phone on Flipkart, exclusively available on Flipkart from October 11. Yes, October 11 is the date of launch in Flipkart. You can buy it from there. So here comes my question. Is this device worth it in its price? So the answer is yes. It is worth it in these prices. So you can see they are giving Snapdragon 660. It's okay. It's good processor. You can play games. It's good to handle your stuff, and the storages are awesome. The 8 GB RAM variant storage is ultimate. You can buy the 8 GB RAM variant. I am with Oppo. The Oppo is like ruling the India. Yes, you can buy these phones. They are worth for the prices. Uh, and you can see the 8 GB variant is priced at 17,000. Have you seen any of the phone which is of 8 GB and comes under 18,000? Have you seen any? Just tell me in the comments if you have seen any of the devices. I mean, this is the great device. I want these type of devices, not that iPhone and overpriced devices. These are the devices, I like them and I love to make video on them. So today was the launch. I'm making the video on the same day, and yeah, it will launch on October 11. Just hit the Flipkart and take down every smartphone you like. Not like, take down every Oppo, Realme 2. So yeah. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, I hope you like the videos, then hit the like button, and if you can hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button, then it will really make my day. So yeah, and follow me on all my social media accounts. The links are present in the description. Please follow me. And yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing out.
And let me